Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use an electric toothbrush if it does not turn on. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. So, just to be fully clear, this is my electric toothbrush and it actually does indeed turn on, just as you can see in here. So mine works perfectly fine, but if it does not turn on, if it did not turn on, and the times where I do not charge it, and I have to brush my teeth, and the battery is completely dead, those times where it does not turn on, where it has not turned on, this is what I have done, and this is what I would do if it, didn't turn on right now, and I needed to use it. Now, obviously, make sure you charge your batteries of your electric toothbrush, of your electric toothbrushes, and make sure that they work properly, because obviously that's how they're meant to be used, of course. But we're all forgetful. We all forget to charge the batteries sometimes. I do all the time, to be honest with you. I let the toothbrush completely die, and then I use it without, when the battery isn't working, and then I'm like, oh yeah, after a few days, I'm like, I should really charge the battery. So I actually have a lot of experience with this, to be honest with you. I'm really bad with remembering to charge the battery until it's been a few days, and I'm like, okay, it's time to charge the battery. Then it really gets in my mind and my memory. Anyways, this is how you do it. It's really, really easy to do. Obviously, it's not going to be powered on, right? But you want to just essentially get it. You want to put your water on your brush head. That's how I do it. I usually wet the brush head first and then put your toothpaste on. So just do what you would regularly do before you would use your electric toothbrush regularly. Okay, I get a little bit of water on it, and then I put some toothpaste on it. That's what I would regularly do, okay? So I do that even when the battery is dead. And then what you do is, instead of turning it on, because it's not going to be turning on, whether the battery's dead or it's broken or whatever the case is, you're not going to turn it on. You're going to use it like this, and you're going to go and you're going to brush your teeth normally like that. So basically, instead of, turning it on and letting it scrub for me, I'm going to basically go and brush my teeth manually using the electric toothbrush. So essentially, you're taking the electric toothbrush, and what you're doing is you're using it as a regular manual toothbrush by just scrubbing your teeth with it normally. So you're just going to go ahead and just basically imagine that it was a manual toothbrush, and you're going to take the electric toothbrush that does not turn on, and you're going to use it as a manual toothbrush. Just like that. Get your toothpaste, scrub your teeth, get them pearly white. That's right. Oh, I made a rhyme all the time. Scrub your teeth, get them pearly white. That's right. We rhyme all the time. Scrubbing the teeth, getting them shiny. I'm going to be honest with you, I was trying to rap a little bit, but, hey, I'm an okay rapper, just maybe not for this video. Anyways, that's how you do it. It's literally that simple. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed the video overall. And I'm trying to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point, so hopefully you enjoyed it. I've got nothing else to say, so with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.